How to turn a child's wading pool into a shower. Let's get started. Just added a little bling in the bottom. See how this turns out. So I hit the ground running with this two-part epoxy A and B. Just some fundamentals. I always keep track of your B and A. I combine everything in a single pot, and then I put a finished pot, put it in there, stir it all up. There's some great videos on pouring two-part epoxies. You just have to do a very thorough job. Turn out really well. I've got just a few spots that are not coming together. Right there's one. I'm hoping that before the night's over, it will settle in. It's got a really beautiful finish to it now. So it's getting a nice, you see that one spot right there? We're gonna get that guy to go. And I'll hit it a couple more times with a torch to take the little bubbles. You're seeing those. So should come out by the morning. I got the tub done, and I went with the blue one because the other one was a little distorted. So I put some sparklies in the bottom. I think that'll look really good. And I'm gonna try to put some LED lights around the edge, so it'll be a pretty cool tub shower. So this is for the shower, and I coated the inside. You know, the 3D printing is nice, but it gives a really kind of a granular look. So I've coated that with this epoxy. This is the material here. This is called a tabletop epoxy, and it's food grade. Not that I need that for the shower. And then yeah, this is the grate for the drain. So it goes like this. You get the idea. So that's where I'm at. My morning project here. Quick shot of the pool project. I didn't video the beginning. I had drilled out the center with the hole saw. That's the hole saw. And then I placed the drain in. And then several of us got together and we painted all the sides down and set the main drain in and a nice bed of resin. So one more coat after that will take care of the ridge that's around the drain, and we'll be good to shower up. So I've installed the main drain. That's there. And you notice my sea of glitter. I was feeling artistic at the time. I don't know if that's quite what I should have done, but it's done. And I guess it's growing on me. But yeah, we did a good job on the sides. This was my section from here. I want to say here. That was Junior's, and that's Sue's section. So we got it done, and then with the extra material, we poured it into this project that has been in the shop. Oh gosh, it's been probably a year. A fella started it, and yes, I poured the rest into there. I've got a rough spot here, and here, and here. So that's easy. We'll sand this down and bring it back to like a 600 grit, and then do another coat on the top of it, and the chessboard will be done. So now I had given a coat to the bottom a while back, and this ring makes that side piece a little bit more rigid, and I'm just going to mix up a small batch and go around this joint between the main drain and the pool. So that's all I'm going to accomplish today. Okay, got the last piece cut. I've just got to fasten it on. Don't look at the wrinkles. Anyways, yeah, the skirt turned out really nice. And I just got to fasten it on now. And then install the plumbing, the drain pipe, which should go out through there. And I'll immortalize that next. Okay, we're in good shape. Just connected the pipe. This is 1.25 inch pipe I got from Home Depot. This is a swimming pool vacuum hose, I think, or whatever, just a generic. And I have these really cool rubberized fittings. Again, 1.25 inch, and it goes right up against the 3D printed main drain. I did put the silicone on and put a hose clamp, and I'm going to let that dry overnight. And this end equally is affixed, and that'll connect to the bucket drain. So there you have it. We are getting closer by the minute. Well, the tub finally came together. Actually, Paige had the idea of making lights on the inside lip, and I think it turned out really nice.
And it's easier.
What's that, Sue?
And it was easier.
It was easier, yes. I'm gonna have to put something on the inside though.
But at least you can see the perimeter of it.
Yeah,
right
exactly.
now, like, if
You
you're
can see all my wrinkles too.